Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to update the Canva desktop app so we can access the latest features, improvements, and bug fixes. Keeping the app updated ensures a smoother and more secure design experience. On the Canva dashboard, we just need to click the three dots in the upper left part of the Canva app. From there, we go to Help and then select About Canva. Canva will automatically update your version. If it does not update automatically, the option will appear here as Update. At the moment, the app is up to date, so we cannot see the update option. But if an update is available, it will appear here, and we just need to press Update. The app will then restart and apply the update. And that is how we can update the Canva desktop app in just a few simple steps.